So today topic addition of vectors and subtraction of vectors, right, in motion in plane and parallelogram law of vector addition. So three concepts are there. So first, addition of vectors. Addition of vectors. So to add two vectors, for example, we can consider two vectors. One is p bar, another one is q bar. So two vectors if you want to add. So here conditions are there. First condition is first vector draw as it is. First vector drawn as it is. Second vector tail joined at the head of first vector. Next, so a line is joined between tail of first vector to head of second. Head of second vector. So we get result. These are what are the conditions. So first vector is drawn as it is. This is first one, p bar. Next, second vector tail. This is tail of the second. It is joined at the head of this first. So q bar. Next, a line will be joining between tail of this first vector to the head of the first vector, head of this second vector. This will be gives what is that result. That is r bar is equal to p bar plus q bar. So this is resultant of two vectors, right? Addition method. Next one, subtraction of vectors. Subtraction of vectors means what is that? So a vector is added with the negative vector of second one. Vector is added with negative vector of second, we get same result. Okay. So this is called subtraction. For example, we can consider a vector. This is what is that? P bar. Next, second vector, it is what is that? Q bar. Okay. Here first vector, this is P bar. Second vector, it is Q bar. Otherwise, we can consider here, right, Q bar. So here, now we can subtract these two vectors. Our aim is to subtract these two vectors. So what is the negative vector of second one? That is minus of q. Okay. So here p vector. Next one, this is q vector. Here negative vector of this q bar is minus of q. A line is joining between the tail of this first vector to the head of the second vector. That will be gives result. Therefore r is equal to p bar plus minus of q bar. Okay, therefore p bar minus of q bar. This is result. Next, vectors obeys following laws. Okay, so first one is what is it? Commutative law. Commutative law. Commutative law, that is a bar plus b bar is equal to b bar plus a bar. Okay, so this is a vector. It is added with a b vector. Result is what is it? A bar plus what is that? B bar. Otherwise, what is it? Here B vector, it is added with A, we will get what is that? Same result, that is B bar plus A bar. Result is same. Result is same. A bar plus B bar, result is A bar plus B bar. Here B bar plus A bar, result is also same. Okay, so therefore it is always commutative law. Next, so second one, associative law is also satisfied. Therefore A bar plus B bar plus C bar, it is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Right. Next, third one, distributive law. Distributive law is also satisfied. K into A bar plus B bar, that is equal to K A bar plus K into B bar. So this is distributive law. So these are what are the addition of vectors obeying laws. Right. Addition of subtraction of vectors, what is it? Obeying laws. Okay, here commutative law is, what is that here? Not obeyed. A bar plus B bar, it is A bar minus B bar, it is not equal to B bar minus A bar. So here A bar, this is first vector, this is B bar, negative vector of the second one is minus of B bar. Result is, what is that? A bar minus B bar. So first one is B bar, first vector, next A bar, second vector. Okay, negative vector of this, what is it? B bar minus of A bar. The result will be gives, what is it? B bar minus of A bar. Here A bar minus B bar, result is down. Here B bar minus A bar, result is up. Okay, so they are not satisfying this, what is it? Okay, here commutative law. Commutative law is not satisfying. Okay, next, associative law is also not satisfying. Okay, next, here A bar minus B bar is not equal to okay, A bar minus B bar minus of C bar. Distributive law, it is satisfied. Distributive law is satisfied. Okay, so resolution of vectors. Resolution of vectors. So a vector can be, what is it? Resolved or broken up into two or what is it? Multiple or number of components. So this is x-axis and y-axis. So we can consider a vector. This is A bar. This vector making an angle with x-axis is, what is it? Theta. A vector components are, what are the? Ax along x direction, that is I cap unit vector. Here b ay unit vector along this y direction is j cap. Magnitude is ay. So a vector is, what is it? Sum of two components. One is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. When we are adding these two components, we will get result, right, according to addition of vectors. So this is first vector, second vector. Okay, the resultant will be gives A bar. So that means that vector, it is a combination of two components. So like this way, the vector can be what is it divided into infinitesimal number of components. When we are what is it vector making an angle 30 degrees with x-axis, components are ax and ay. Here 60 degrees we will get another components. Okay, 45 degrees we will get another components. Like this way, infinitesimal number of components we can divide that vector into, right? So two-dimensional resolution, dimensional resolution. Okay, so here horizontal component is equal to, from this triangle OAB or OPQ, this is OP and Q, horizontal component is equal to, okay, from triangle OPQ, that is equal to what is it, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Modulus of A is equal to square root of ax square plus ay square. Right. Here ax is equal to what is this, cos theta value actually. This is from triangle OPQ, cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that is OP divided by OQ, that is ax divided by a. Ax is equal to a cos of theta. This is ax, that is equal to a cos theta. It is called horizontal component. Next, from triangle same OPQ, here opposite component, that is ay, it is right. Next, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is PQ, otherwise OR divided by OQ. Okay, so therefore that is equal to AY by A, where AY is equal to A into sin theta. Okay, so therefore vertical component, it is equal to AY is equal to A sin theta. So this is horizontal component and vertical component. Resultant vector is equal to ax of I cap plus ay of j cap. So therefore a cos theta into I cap plus a sin theta into j cap. Right? Direction. Tan of theta is equal to direction. Tan of theta is equal to ay divided by ax. Okay.